Gosh, in the cut. Oh
Where's
man.
Oh my gosh.
We might not have to pay for it, babe, right?
I don't think so. I mean, I don't think they're checking it this early.
Yeah, y'all don't think we should have to pay for it, right, guys? We're at Starbucks. Good morning, everybody. Good day. Oh, sure? All right, thank you. Thank you. All right. You ready for my license plate number? I want to say it online so they can know. All right, so it's going to be K Z M 5. My baby card declined for 25 cents. Oh, snap. She about to show my license plate. It didn't decline for 75 cents and 25 cents. How much?
Okay.
25 cents? It declined for 25 cents? Insert quarter. Yep, put that there. No.
I think you have to pay until 8.
Oh,
So
okay.
8?
Yeah, so it might be why it's not letting you do it.
Okay, thank you. Oh, okay. That's probably why. Okay, thank you. Have a good day. Bless her heart.
Is it almost 8?
It is, babe, but we not, you know what I mean? I'll look at it. All right, we are in Starbucks, guys, for the first time.
Smoked bacon.
Of course we are.
All right, y'all, so we are, well, she's done her breakfast. I am drinking a caramel latte, but she should have definitely put more syrup in here. I needed 2 pumps, maybe 3. Should I go back and tell her that? I think I'm going to tell her I need a pump of some more syrup. I don't know, y'all. But anyway, so today I will be filming all day and trying to get things done. And I have my camera, but I'm doing it on my phone because I find that vlogging on my phone is going to be easier for certain videos. So this particular video, what we're going to do is we had to eat, which we are, well, she did, she ate. I'm going to actually go ahead and get Chick-fil-A for breakfast and eat that. And I am going to go to Staples and pick up the sign. And then we need to actually go to the mall to pick up a few things as well. Go back home. I think we should walk Hustle. Take Hustle for a little walk. I want to wait until the pet store is open because he needs to get a certain harness. I need to get him because he outgrew his other one. So he's getting pretty big, but I do want to take him out. And yeah, I'm gonna take him out. I gotta figure out how I'm gonna cover these seats. But yeah, so do that, and that's gonna be it for this video. The next video probably will be us putting up the sign and all of that, okay? So we are going to get to going, and I think I'm gonna head to Staples first. It has to be one of the most satisfying parts of like opening up your stores is getting the signs. But I'm just getting one sign right now. This is a temporary sign because eventually I'm just gonna get a real sign. But again, you don't want business to stop, you know what I mean? Because you don't have the marketing basically. So it's really cool, and I can't wait to see it. Having it come to life is, I think, the best part. How you doing, sir? I'm coming to pick up Brandon Jones. Yep. All right. Yep. That's fine. Now that I got the poster, now what I need to do is I need to go to Home Depot. So I need to figure out how I'm going to hang it up. So if I'm going to drill into it, I need to get these cement screws and the drill bit. But I really don't want to do that because I've done that before and it's pretty annoying. I also need to get a ladder. So I need to go to my friend's house actually, and I need to go get his ladder. But he's probably not home. Oh my God. So we are in a parking garage. We're about to go to Target because we need to get trash bags, wipes probably, and also some water for the store. Yeah, we need to get water as well. I need to get a microwave for the store as well, but look at my park job. All right, guys, so going up here. Babe, film this for a TikTok. Okay, so when it comes to exact pricing of like the items in the product box, you want to, I honestly say, don't judge it off of just what you think in your head. So prime example, somebody can go ahead and somebody can look at a tempered glass for iPhone 14 Pro and they can say, okay, this is going to be $10, right? What I would say is look up, because I don't want to tell you the price. Okay. I don't want to tell you what I charge. I want you to actually have an open mind. I would say look up that product on eBay, right? Once you look that product up on eBay, then you compare. You got to find the median. The median is the middle price, right? So add the highest price you see, add the lowest price you see, and add the mid price you see. So you add 3 prices together and just divide it by 3, and you're going to have a median price and just price it at that. Just so that you're not going in what you would think instead of going with what's working, right? That's one thing I urge people to do, because we don't want to go off of what we think, because business has nothing to do with our emotions or, you know, we think something is worth.
So, do I need a packaging for selling the items? Like if I want to ship it out?
Say it again.
Let's say I want to ship like an item now. Do I need like packaging?
So if you want to ship an item out, I don't even think I have them here yet. If you want to ship an item out, what you would do is, I have like little envelopes that I ship my stuff out in. I don't have them here yet, but you can ship it out in like a mailer. So you can go to Walmart, and Walmart has like little thick padded envelopes that have like little bubbles inside of it. That's what I would ship mine in, and then I stick the label on top of that mailer, and then I ship it out that way. That's the way you're gonna expend the least amount. All right, I wouldn't ship it in boxes like this. Okay, the boxes like this cost more money, but the mailers work. Especially with eBay, you'll get people that are buying like 2 of these at a time or 4, like little small items, and you're not always gonna have a box this, you know what I mean, this small. So I would say do that. All right.
That's cool. Then shipping, I will charge shipping, right? Or do you recommend to make it free shipping, or how does it work?
I put 43 in here for you as well. Okay. So when it comes to free shipping and paid shipping, one of the biggest things that you want to look at. So it's that I always say free is better, but again, emotions, they don't matter, right? So what my opinion is doesn't matter. What you got to do is your product research. So I can tell you right now here, you can look at the box actually here. So I can tell you right now for like chargers, always do free shipping, because you got to think about it. You want the customer to feel like they are getting a deal, right? So all small items, like the items in your box, I personally would say free shipping. But if you had something like a drone, right? These, I would say I would do paid, because it makes the customer already feel like they're getting something. You know what I mean? So it's like, oh, well, I'm already getting a deal because I'm paying X amount for this. It sort of kind of is an illusion. So no matter if you pay for shipping or not, thank you. Yep. If you have them pay for shipping or if it's free, you just got to make sure your price accommodates them. You got to make them feel like they win every time. All right, make sure that they feel like I got a deal every time over any competition. All right, so what you're going to see with chargers is a lot of bundles. That means you're going to see a lot that has five chargers in one, or 10 chargers in one. I'll tell you, the 10 chargers bundle, that sells the fastest. When you put 10 chargers together, or if you put 5 chargers together, they all sell really well. Don't do it one at a time. Try to do bundles. And when you do bundles, you get more money and less shipping is paid, because you're shipping them all at once. You got me? Yeah. All right. All right, man. Thank you so much, man. I appreciate you coming through.
Last question.
Yeah.
Description. I can easily just copy someone's description.
That's all I do. That's all I do is copy. I don't take time to write my own, because I feel like if their description is working for them, why shall I? You know what I mean?
Yeah, just follow the process.
Yeah, exactly. You know what I mean? Make it simple, you know? So that's what I would say. Making it simple, all right? All right, I appreciate you, man. Thank you for the support as well, watching the videos and all that. And if you have any questions, hit that phone up. Okay, so we just came out of KFC. As y'all saw, KFC had like glass containers. They had glass containers and stuff, and you know, I don't know why. I'm confused. But here you go. All right, so I'm just confused right now. I didn't do that. I didn't do that. I'm not even touching it. The heck, you gonna get mad at me because it did the same thing it did with me?
What's so funny? What are you doing?
I'm not doing nothing. Let me do it for you.
Hold on, let
me do it for you.
I know how to set a camera up. I know how to set a camera up.
Babe, let me do it. Guys, this is almost the finished product. We got Tasha her area. She gonna get a poster, whatever she got going on. This is going to be this portion of the store. So, you know what I mean? It's enough room for us to throw a party. So we'll figure that out. Sign is actually up too. So I'll show y'all that in a second. Here's the sign that we put up. Now there's gonna be more posters, of course, and all that. But I just wanted to try and make sure at least we put some type of branding temporarily. All right, guys, so the store is near Geno Steaks. And I did not know that. And it's near a basketball court. I did not know that either, y'all. So that's pretty cool. And it's near Insomnia. I was about to say Insomnia cookies. But I don't know if we're gonna get Pat. She said, I don't know if she wants some. Oh yeah, Geno's. What'd I say?
Pat's?
Yeah, Pat's is behind us. I never had Pat's. I don't even know what Pat's is really. But I don't know which one. So Pat's is right here. Alright. Hello. Can I get, you want something? You don't want that from here? Alright. Can I have can I have 3 double chocolate chunk and then 3 chocolate chip, please?
You said 2 double chocolate chunk?
Yeah, and then 3.
The bill?
Yeah, because it's a 6-pack, right? Yeah. That's it.
What's your list 50? That's 5.
She asked you, did you want 2 and you said yeah.
No, I'm at 30 each.
Okay. The bill?
Yeah, that's it. Okay.
No,
thank you. Thank you, though. Right. So yeah, we're gonna go to Geno's right now, and me and Tasha, we had this a few times. All right, thank you. I appreciate it.
There's a t-shirt on there and everything.
All right, thank you, babe. Get one for the kids.
You want one?
One for
Yeah.
Well,
That's for your kids.
yeah. Thank you so much. Okay, so we got lacrosse sticks as well, guys, for the kids, so they can play.
Yeah, bro, I got you.
Huh? All right, so we just ordered, y'all. Now I feel very dehydrated for some reason. Don't know why. So we're gonna get something to drink. I just need something to drink. Beautiful cookies.